Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. What I have is a Kerker can. We call it a can or a baffle. I don't know what it's off of for sure. It looks like it mounts from the bottom, judging because of the badge is where it's at. The badge says Kerker, made in USA. The baffle is still inside it, as you can see. And it comes with a new clamp that we had made by the people that made these for Kerker in the 70s. The total length is about right around 21 inches. It looks like the inlet to be roughly 2 5/8, possibly. It could always be shrunk down or possibly taken out a little bit. Then the outlet is about 4 inches outlet. I've not had this apart to find out what condition the baffle's in, if there's any wrapping. It's just something we've had laying around for some time. It's got a lot of paint on it. It's got some scratches, but it's got a lot of paint. I think that this would clean up pretty good with a nice blast and paint job, or it could be great for everyday unrestored hot rod. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.